Complete Guide to Penalty-Free 457B to Gold IRA Rollovers in 2025. Public sector employees increasingly seek stable ways to protect their retirement savings. One of the most reliable options in 2025 is the 457B to Gold IRA Rollover, a strategy that allows investors to move funds into physical precious metals without facing early withdrawal penalties. This simplified guide explains how to complete the process, why it matters, and what to consider before making the transition. Get free Gold IRA guide and learn about how to secure your retirement with gold investment. Click the link below in the description to get it. Key points to understand. 1. Why a Gold IRA makes sense in 2025. Gold helps guard against inflation and market instability. Precious metals diversify a retirement portfolio. Physical assets offer long-term value preservation. 2. Why 457B plans are easier to roll over. After leaving your employer, 457B plans generally do not impose a 10% early withdrawal penalty, unlike 401k or 403b plans. Many plans allow a direct rollover at any age after separation. 3. What you need for a Gold IRA: a self-directed IRA custodian that handles physical metals. An IRS-approved storage depository. Eligible metals such as .995 gold, .999 silver, and .9995 platinum or palladium. How to complete a penalty-free 457B to Gold IRA rollover, step by step. 1. Open a self-directed Gold IRA. Choose a custodian experienced in precious metals. This account will receive your rollover funds. 2. Request a direct rollover. Contact your 457B plan administrator and ask for a trustee-to-trustee transfer. This method avoids taxes, penalties, and the 60-day rule. 3. Transfer the funds to your new IRA custodian. Your plan sends the funds directly to the Gold IRA custodian. Nothing is paid to you personally. 4. Select approved precious metals. Work with your custodian to purchase IRS-approved gold or other metals. Popular choices include American Gold Eagles and Canadian Maple Leafs. 5. Store the metals in an approved depository. Gold must be held in a secure facility, not at home, to stay compliant with IRS rules. Important considerations: avoid indirect rollovers, they trigger taxes if not redeposited within 60 days. Verify all metals meet IRS standards. Consider storage and maintenance fees. Compare custodian companies for transparency and pricing. A penalty-free 457B to Gold IRA rollover in 2025 offers a straightforward path to strengthening retirement security. By following IRS rules, choosing a trusted custodian, and using a direct rollover method, investors can diversify their savings and shield their wealth from economic uncertainty. This strategy provides a stable foundation for long-term financial protection and peace of mind. Free Gold IRA Guide. Learn about how to secure your retirement with gold investment. Download your free Gold IRA Guide now. Click the link below in the description to get it. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.